Hello and welcome back. Real Man's Garage. We're outside today. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Little wispy white clouds, blue sky, great. And all the insects and bugs as well. There you go. We have the Fimi X8 Mini version 2. We've resurrected it, just like the thumbnail said. Resurrected it from the ashes because it's 2026. This has been out for 3 or 4 years. But it's a 1 over 2.6 camera, which is on par with what some of the guys are coming out with even today. That's ridiculous, but very hard to find. Not many of them around. Hard to buy new. Maybe some on Marketplace on eBay, but we're going to get it up, have a look, see how it flies. What's the camera like compared to some of the other ones you've seen? Because we've been doing a lot of 360 video, and we are recording this on the Insta360 X4 Air, I think it is, camera. We're going to have a back and forth going around, but we're going to put this down here. We're going to connect it, and we're going to go from there, okay? Let's have a look. Let's have a fly. Okay, so we've got it on the pad here, picnic table, if you will, and I'm going to go step around to the other side and have a look. Here we go. We've got it on the picnic table there, and I'm ready to go. We're waiting for satellites. It said we're good to go on the GPS. Let's get it up. We've got 4K at 30. We're just going to check to make sure we have the correct high. Everything's good. Okay, let's get it up and going. Here we go. And up. There it is. Okay, and let's fly it forward and have a look. There it goes. I'm coming around here. Okay, let's get this thing flying and start that recording. Up it goes. Up it goes. I want to get out of this bug fest of where I'm in under the trees here. But we're going to get it up 20, 30, 40 meters. Bring that down a bit. There we go. Look at that, eh? Amazing. We're just going to go, and I'm going to step around out of the bug fest. Here we go. Okay, we're up to 40. We're going to turn around, have a look at the pit there, if we can. There we go. And with Fimi, they're not putting any new productions out. So let's just have a look at this out here. We're going to go out to the lake here, see where we go. They're not putting in any new productions. I don't know why. They've kind of fallen off the market. They're still trying to sell all their old stuff. So we're going to go out here at about, let's go to 3 or 4. There we go. Okay. Yeah, Fimi's kind of dropped off the ball the last year or so. They haven't come out with anything new. They came out with the Tele X and the 2025 X8 Pro and that, but they didn't sell very well, and they're trying to get rid of all the old stuff. So this is one of their really good originals, okay? And it's a 1 over. There's so many bugs. Let's get past here. Look at all this water. That's another amazing thing. The amount of water here is just incredible this last year. Must have been tons of snow, okay? But yeah, Fimi, they had a great thing going, absolutely phenomenal. This thing is so packed with features, and like resurrecting it from, it has been flown for like 8 months. Resurrecting it, put a battery in, charge it up, away it goes. You know, if you can pick one of these up, and I wouldn't be paying more than $100 for the whole package, and that's a deal. You know, I've got 2 of them. I'll sell them. Somebody wants to buy them, yeah, I'll sell them. I've got the orange one, I got this white one. The orange one's in pristine condition, a couple of batteries, away you go. It's amazing. Look at that, eh? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's about where I ended up last time, yeah. Okay. So can we go any further? If we look at the, yeah, we can look at that. And we'll turn around. Look at that. It's absolutely stunning. There we go. And coming back, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back now. There we go. We should be coming back pretty good. It doesn't have the greatest range, but if you're right here, you're not going to get great range anyway, because I'm looking at trees, my gosh. But if you were anywhere on a vacation or something, you could line of sight, you'd get 400 or 500 meters, you get 800 meters, not a problem at all. Okay, Now, where are we going here? Let's have a look over here. There we go. Yeah. we're coming back over this way. We'll head out over the lake on the other side and have a look as well. And remember, yeah, this is 3 or 4 years old, so it's doing really good. And this one has been through the mill. So yeah, resurrecting it from the ashes for sure, because as I said, it's got one of the original 1/2.6 cameras that everybody piled on board and went with them, and the 1/2.3s, and then they went with the they went to the 1/3, no, the 1/3, 1, 2, 2. Then they went to the 1/2 inch, you know, all like that. So let's go out here, see how far we're going out that way. So I'm going to go on the other side here. Here we go. We're going to come here, so I can look this way, and I can look over here. We can get out that way, and down here somewhere there's a house out here. It is coming up here, and we very rarely see anything happen. There's a couple of these houses on the lake, and hardly ever see anything happen with them. Okay, there we go. Never see anybody here. And across the lake there, oh, automatic return. Yeah, I'm pointing at the house, and all this stuff here doesn't help. There we go. There we go. Okay, come on back. Okay, I won't do that then. I'm being just, the gnats are really bad here. It's coming back. Let's see if we can cancel that. And we'll go fly this way. Okay, if I can just step over here a little bit. There we go. Okay. As I said, when you look at it over here, look over here at this lake, there's houses, there's a house over there. Okay, you can see how shallow the lake really is. Okay, we won't go too far. But yeah, I call it Frying Pan Bay, but it's not really. It's called Boyd Lake. And the subdivision goes all around Boyd Lake, and there's water everywhere. So originally, I'm assuming like 50 years ago, it was a swamp. It would have been a swamp. You know, here we go. Let's just turn around here and head on back home, because that's long enough. Yes, we got 75% in the battery still. Wow, we've been up 5 or 6 minutes. So let's just take a trip around here. Where's our house? Here we are. Go back there. It's coming back. Oh, I'm getting all these bugs. Amazing. So yeah, to resurrect something like this and fly it and have no worries about where it's going and have a 4K video is incredible. It really is. And we're going around 7 meters per second, 8 meters per second. We don't want to go that fast. Well, we'll just go around here, and I'll walk to the other side here. Well, these double cameras, eh? How about that? So you see that water down there? It's almost to the road. It's never been that high. And if you look down here, you see the water on the left of the road there? We walk the dogs around there all the time. Well, let's bring this down a bit. We'll come down to about 40 meters. That should be good enough. There we go. Okay, this water here on the left-hand side there, bone dry last year. It was bone dry. I walk the dogs here in the afternoon all the time. Take them on a short 15-20 minute walk, you know, and then in the morning we do about a 45 minute, an hour. But around here, we come around, look at this, see all this water? Okay, so let's go up here. Watch this. Up, 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 up. Okay. See all that water? Bone dry. We've walked that. In the summer, we walk it, and it's about 3 feet deep now. Okay. So let's come back down again. Okay. There we go. Yeah, tons of water. Tons of water. And then this whole area here, the 8.5 acres here, is not really a campground, but it's owned by a collective of the Ukrainian society that have had this for decades and decades and decades, and they come up here and have their retreats and stuff, and really, really nice folks, and we all get along really well. Yeah, a lot of fun. And we head back to our place over here. Okay, here we go. And we're in the backyard pretty soon. That's pretty good. We're still at 63%. There we go. There it is. Let's go around the other side here. There we are. And it's coming down. Whew. All these bugs in my beard and my hair. Oh my gosh. So many bugs. Okay, come on down. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, I'm going to come around the other way. Here we go. And well, there you have it. The Fimi X8 Mini version 2. Okay, I've got a couple of them. Somebody wants to buy them, give me an offer. You know, it's got 2 batteries in it. This has the bigger plus battery in it. And they're 3 years old and the batteries are perfect condition. Okay, not a problem at all. I've got the regular battery and the Pro battery and all kinds of batteries and batteries and batteries. But the X8 Mini version 2, it's one of my favorites. It's an amazing craft. Okay, if you can pick something like this, or even an old Maverick Mini, okay, and you don't have to pay an arm and a leg. Like the used market is phenomenal because a lot of people, they want to buy the best and the new stuff. Well, why would you do that? Buy a really good, like a car. I still don't understand why anybody buys a brand new car. Okay, get one that's 2-3 years off a lease, and you're going to save yourself 30%. There you go. So get a used one if you don't need the absolute best and newest of the bunch right away. Get into the market. Get into the hobby. Get in, flying drones and that for less than $100 probably. Stay away from the budget stuff. Stay away. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. Stay away from all the budget AliExpress stuff. $50, $60, whatever, $20. It's just absolute garbage. But pick something like this up. You're away to the races, as you can see. Okay, it has so many features it didn't even touch. You'd be amazed, but that's another story. In the meantime, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, the old stuff is still good, and if you can get it cheap, you're way ahead of the game. Okay, till next time, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye now.